Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to see deleted messages on Discord. Start by searching for Light is Better Discord staff on Google. Click on the GitLab link to access the page and find Message Logger v2. Click on Download. On your Downloads folder, run this plugin and enable it. These two additional plugins should also be downloaded and installed. After downloading by clicking on the link, click OK. Go to Downloads folder. Copy and paste the two additional plugins on the folder of Message Logger v2. Right-click and click on Refresh. And those two new plugins will reflect here also. Let's try now here. Type in hello and delete afterwards. It was not yet reflecting as deleted file. Above here, tap on Update All. Now, let's try again. Enter a chat, type a message, and delete it. Deleted messages will be highlighted in red, showing that they've been deleted, but they're not completely removed. You can enable or disable the plugin as needed and keep it up to date by clicking Update All in the plugin settings. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!